today we're going to be playing a new game called Freethrows. This game incorporates basketball and math. All right, so the object of this game is to answer as many math questions as fast as possible, but also as accurately as possible. So that means we want to make sure that we're answering the questions correctly. You're going to see different questions come up on your screen, and you're going to have to use your numbers on your right-hand side of your keyboard to answer the question. So if you have 5 plus 2, and you know that it's 7, you're going to enter 7, but you also have to make sure that you press the enter button, because that will make sure that it's accepting the answer, okay? The object of this game is also to work as a team. So the more questions that we answer correctly, our team average increases. So we want to make sure that we're encouraging each other and working together. If someone is stuck and they need help, it is okay to go to them and kind of help them out and cheer them on. At the end of each game, there's going to be a couple of random students that's going to be selected to get extra time to play a couple more questions. Those students should be able to, if you have students around you, you're more than welcome to come and help them out and kind of cheer them along. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and log in. There is going to be a box that comes up that you're going to have to press remember and allow. So the box is going to have, it's going to come up and you're going to see something that says remember. You're going to click on the remember, and then you're going to click on allow. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Okay. Thumbs up when you have the waiting for teacher sign. All right, how many of you are excited to play? Oh, okay. All right. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to go ahead and get ready to play our first game of free throws. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 1-minute challenge to answer as many questions as possible. All right, it looks like everybody is logged in. Are you ready to play? Yeah! Okay. Yeah! Let's 5, 4, 3, ready, let's go! Okay, so the what number, remember, we'll break apart our numbers into The concept of teamwork affects class dynamics by allowing us to work together as a team. It kind of builds a sense of community within the classroom, and they don't always just take it within here, they take it outside of the classroom as well. You need to press All right, boys and girls, so let's go ahead. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, so looking at our total score, we got 204 points. That means that we, as a group, we answered 204 questions correctly, and our percentage, our average percent was 91%. So that means that we are doing pretty good if we have a 91% in our answering the questions. Our average level was 20 and 8/10. So that means that we've gone up levels. So if we're at a level 20 and 8/10, each time that we answer more questions, our levels are going to go up. So do we always want to be at 20, or do we want to kind of work harder to get to that next level? So as a group, next time, let's see if we can set our goal to maybe 21 and 2/10 to see if we can move up levels. Well, we have to use the majority when we're voting for if we're going to play the next game. So when I ask the students, okay, who would like to play, they all raise their hands, and so we have to take majority rules. So then we have to kind of explain that majority is more than half of the class. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of us have been working together to level up. That means that we're going to get into harder questions, okay? So please raise your hand if you would like to play this game again. Let's see. All right. Does majority rule that we're going to play? Yes. So let's go ahead and try again. Show me that you're ready. Some ideas to motivate students are that when they're on a problem that's more difficult, you can kind of remind them that each time that they level up, they're moving up in grade levels, so that kind of motivates them, like, ooh, I'm in 4th grade and I could be doing 6th grade math. Or another way to motivate them is kind of setting a competition against another class, so that if they know that they have to, that they're against another class, they're more willing to, like, okay, I gotta beat them and get a better score and help my team. We, as teachers, want to be able to hit those students that need extra help and we want to push the students that need to be pushed. And so this game kind of allows the students to work at their level and build each time. So it kind of differentiates our instruction without me having to do it. It does it in the game.